Harsh environment. The safety of connectors is facing serious challenges. TXGA adheres to the unremitting pursuit of connector quality. The product passed the withstand voltage test, vibration transient test, air tightness test, salt spray test, plug and unplug test, hot and cold shock cycle test, and many other tests. Strict performance testing is used to ensure that the connector can meet the needs of customers in various application environments. Instantaneous overload, violent vibration, wading in wet water, salt spray corrosion, frequent plugging and unplugging, under complex environments such as extreme high and low temperatures. Provide stable, durable, safe and reliable interconnection for equipment.